Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're roasting up some broccoli with garlic, Meyer lemon, and Parmesan cheese right here on the fire escape. So we're going to start here today by adding some organic broccoli florets to a baking dish. And broccoli is one of those vegetables you definitely want to go organic with. And we're going to add some olive oil. This is good extra virgin olive oil. A little bit of sea salt, or you could use kosher salt. Some fresh ground black pepper. And some red pepper flakes. Then we're going to get our clean hands in there and mix this all around, and we are ready for the grill. Out here on the fire escape, I've preheated the Weber Q for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to add the roasting rack and roasting shield, place on our broccoli, close the lid, and we're going to grill this on high for about 25 total minutes. While the broccoli is roasting, we're going to take a couple of garlic cloves, smash them with the side of our knife, and just give them a fine chop. 10 minutes into the cook, we're going to add the garlic to the broccoli. You don't want to start the garlic with the broccoli because it has a tendency to burn. And then just take a spatula or a spoon and mix this around. Make sure the broccoli's getting cooked on all sides. Close the lid and let's give it another 10 minutes. In the meantime, I've got 2 lemons. This one here is just your standard regular lemon. And this little guy here is called a Meyer lemon. And a Meyer lemon is said to be a cross between a regular lemon and a mandarin orange. So it has a sweeter, less tart flavor than a regular lemon. It still has seeds. We're just going to use the Meyer lemon today, and all I'm going to do is cut it in half. And I'm also going to grate up some good Parmesan cheese. Nothing wrong with Parmesan cheese. Here we are now at the 20-minute mark, and I'm going to squeeze on half of that Meyer lemon. Try not to get any seeds in there, any lemon seeds. If you get one in, you should probably take it out like I'm doing here so that no one breaks their tooth on a lemon seed. And then we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. Of course, this wouldn't be New York City without a siren in the background adding to the ambiance. Then we're going to close the lid and this will be finished in 5 more minutes. Now we're at 25 minutes total cook time. The Parmesan cheese is melted and this roasted broccoli is ready to come inside. Now I'm going to take it out of the baking dish and put it into a serving bowl. Make sure you scrape out the cheese and garlic bits on the bottom of the pan. And then we're going to finish it off with just one more squirt of that Meyer lemon. And of course, just a touch more Parmesan cheese. And here we have our final dish. Roasted broccoli with garlic, Meyer lemon, and Parmesan cheese, made on a fire escape in Brooklyn, New York. So here I've got some of that broccoli and it's really good. Very nice. The roasting really just brings out the flavor of the broccoli. The lemon kind of brings it all together, the garlic. And of course, Parmesan cheese. How can you go wrong with Parmesan cheese? Gives a nice little salty flavor. Give this recipe a try. It's super healthy and super delicious. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe, and of course, keep on grilling.